In the field of industrial production, every detail is related to the quality and performance of the final product. Especially for large tanks, the coating process is not only related to the appearance, but also directly affects the durability, corrosion resistance, and stability of the product in harsh environments. Today, we will use an actual case and animation to show you how we can provide excellent coating solutions for CNG tanks with a length of 12 meters, a diameter of 0.7 meters, and a maximum weight of 3.5 tons with professional and efficient processing. To ensure the fine operation of each link, the entire production rhythm is kit out in 20 minutes per piece. First, to ensure that the substrate has excellent corrosion resistance, the process requires the application of a 120-micron epoxy coating. Subsequently, a polyester coating of the same thickness is applied, according to product characteristics and production requirements. We customize the following process flow. The workpiece is first carefully shot blasted to completely remove surface impurities. Then, the dedicated roller conveyor accurately transports the tank to the predetermined station. After that, a professional tank forklift moves the tank to be painted to the loading area of the coating line and hangs it under the hanging beam with a customized fixture. The accumulation conveyor line is started, and the tank enters the area under coating. The traction of the running chain hook for the first epoxy coating. The coating process uses a circular swing machine and a contouring mechanism to achieve intelligent uniform spraying. The tank body after the first coating is conveyed by the conveyor into the gas infrared rapid heating furnace for rapid curing and stays for 8 minutes to reach the required curing temperature. The tank body after the initial curing enters the secondary coating stage. After the secondary coating is completed, it passes through the gas infrared rapid pre-curing area again to ensure that the coating surface is quickly cured during the process and prepare for the subsequent hot air curing stage. In the hot air curing area, the workpiece stays for 60 minutes. The temperature is gradually and steadily increased to 200 degrees, and the hinge curing is carried out for 15 minutes. The fully cured tank then enters the forced cooling zone, where clean natural wind quickly cools the coated surface. After cooling, the tank undergoes the final cooling step in the natural cooling section to ensure it reaches its ideal state. The cooled tank body is moved to the unloading area, unloaded by a special forklift, and sent to the packaging area via the unloading roller line. At this point, a complete set of high-quality coated tank processing is completed. ZhYao are supported by advanced equipment and guaranteed by strict processes. ZhYao are committed to providing customers with high-quality efficient. Choosing us means choosing professionalism and trust.